everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling the LMHOSTS Lookup on your computer. So it stands for LAN Manager Host, which enables the domain name resolution, and it's used with workgroups and domains primarily for Windows users. So if you're looking up this video, you probably already know what it's about. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning that off. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So starting off, we're going to open up the start menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Set your view by to category view and select the Network and Internet tile. Select Network and Sharing Center. And now you want to go ahead and select Change Adapter Settings on the left side. Select whichever adapter you're using here. If you have multiple ones, just select your correct one. And then right click on it, select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, parentheses TCP/IPv4, and select Properties. Select the Advanced button. Select the Wins tab, and now you want to select where it says Enable LMHOSTS Lookup. Go ahead and turn that off, so just uncheck that option there, and that will disable that functionality. And then once you're done with that, select OK. Select OK again, close out of there, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.